Um, uh, so I guess these are what we know as pause fillers. Strategy number 2 is to get a good friend. Have your friend hold a piece of paper, and on the paper it's written pause fillers. Now each time you give a presentation, and when you use a pause filler in the midst of your presentation, inform your friend to hold up the placard or that piece of paper that says pause fillers, because we won't want to wait till the end of your presentation only to have your friend tell you, hey, you have used 10 pause fillers, you use 4 word repetitions. That may not mean much, but if immediately in the middle of the presentation you have that immediate awareness as to that's the time to use pause fillers, you can correct straight away. It's just like when I started presenting, I used to go way faster in my presentation speed. And I recall my friend hold up a placard that says slow down. And immediately when you see these 2 words, slow down, you slow down right away because of the immediate awareness that's brought to you. Therefore, when it comes to pause fillers, you can also do the same as well. When your friend holds up the placard that says pause fillers, immediately you have the awareness, hey, I'm using pause filler here, I'll be more aware moving forward, and you will see the significant difference.